Hi guys, here's this week's top crypto news for Realtors. Bitcoin and the stock market. Is there a correlation between Bitcoin and the S&P 500? Nasdaq is jumping into the crypto custodial service. What's that mean? And why are they doing it? The US Treasury is seeking public comments. Comments on what? Hi, I'm Rich Hopen. I'm the creator of Crypto News for Realtors, and I'm a real estate broker with Compass in New Jersey. Throughout the week, I monitor the crypto news and major news and crypto publications. I listen to crypto podcasts, and I follow the crypto influencers on social. I sift through it all and write a weekly newsletter with about 1,000 active subscribers. I write the Crypto Corner for Inman. I've given crypto presentations to real estate offices around the US, and now I'm taking my crypto content and making YouTube videos. And I do this for 3 reasons. Number 1, crypto is complex, it's fascinating, and it's evolving quickly. And I believe crypto is going to change our economy and real estate. 2, it's early days in crypto, and I want to position myself as the crypto leader in my real estate market. And 3, I want to share what I'm learning so you can be the crypto leader in your market. But before I jump into this week's news, if you could do me a huge favor, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel and stay up to date on all the crypto news. So let's get into it. Bitcoin and the stock market. Is there a correlation between Bitcoin and the S&P 500? As the Federal Reserve tightens monetary policy in its battle against a multi-decade high inflation, real estate agents have been focused on the impact for home buyers and sellers. While in the crypto world, the focus is the price of Bitcoin. Nick Badia, a USC business professor and author of a highly regarded book, which I actually read twice and took notes and highlighted. This book is called Layered Money. He explains that over the past 5 years, the price correlation between stocks, particularly the S&P 500 and Bitcoin, has been the second highest correlation among all asset prices. So what's price correlation mean? Price correlation measures how different asset classes behave in relationship to one another. Asset correlation is crucial in investment portfolios because investors need to balance their assets, and you probably know this from your own portfolio. So investors don't want all their assets to move in the same direction at the same time. They want it balanced. Badia notes that there have been periods when Bitcoin actually uncouples from stocks, and that's usually when Bitcoin experiences a major price increase. So we'll be watching, and other Bitcoin market watchers will be paying very close attention to look for those signals. In the meantime, it's pretty much tracking the stocks. Nasdaq is jumping into the crypto custodial service. Nasdaq announced last week that it will provide a broader service in crypto beyond just facilitating trades. Nasdaq will offer crypto custodial services, so that's holding on to the investor's crypto assets. Nasdaq is responding to growing demand among institutional investors. In a CoinDesk article about this, journalist Margot Nijkirk asks if traditional finance will take over crypto, or will crypto reshape traditional finance? Interesting question. And it's intriguing to see that the large crypto exchange FTX, which I've written about a lot in my newsletter, just this year they introduced stock trading on their platform. So we'll see what happens. The US Treasury is seeking public comments to fight crypto crime. The Treasury published a notice in the Federal Register asking the public to submit comments on Treasury's efforts to assess and mitigate financial risks tied to crypto. Here are some of the questions that they've asked. What regulatory changes would help mitigate illicit financing risks associated with digital assets? What additional steps should the U.S. government consider to address the illicit finance risks related to mixers and other platforms that hide the identity of the crypto holders? Are there specific countries or jurisdictions where the U.S. government should focus its efforts through bilateral outreach and technical assistance to strengthen the foreign AML, which is anti-money laundering laws, and regimes related to virtual asset service providers? And another question was, how can law enforcement and supervisory efforts related to countering illicit finance and digital assets better integrate private sector resources? So that's it for this week's news, but before I wrap up, I want to share some thoughts. It's not possible to develop an understanding of crypto's future in real estate without understanding what drives crypto adoption, because you need to know what's going to motivate buyers and sellers to first off acquire crypto and then use that for real estate. I often write about the moves by policymakers in Washington and the industry influencers, but I rarely address macroeconomic issues. This newsletter, as you saw, the lead story is about price correlation between Bitcoin and the stock market. And anyone that owns Bitcoin does what I do once every day or two and checks the price. And they've noticed that when the S&P drops or surges, chances are crypto is following along. And that's just not Bitcoin, but all crypto. And I've also observed that when crypto prices trend up and to the right, which hasn't happened in a while, more agents reach out to me with an interest in learning about crypto. So I hope that happens again soon. Another issue this week that caught my attention was the Treasury's request for comment on criminal crypto activity. Many of you know, and in addition to crypto and my local real estate market, I spend a fair amount of time on wire fraud prevention. It's an issue that's near and dear to my heart. And I recently learned from my friends at Certified, which is an amazing company that basically the leading software provider for wire fraud prevention. And I learned that criminals who steal real estate funds will often convert those funds into crypto. So I'm hoping that Certified and NAR and Alta and other industry representatives respond to Treasury's requests for comment and share information about kind of the real estate perspective of wire fraud, with the hope that this might thwart some criminals from stealing buyers and sellers' money. So that's my hope, and thanks for watching my videos. And by the way, my YouTube videos were released, I don't know, a week and a half ago, and I've had great feedback from people and really pleased about that. So continue to watch them, and if there's any that you like, which I hope is all of them, hit the like button and certainly make sure you subscribe. It would be really, really awesome if you also shared a video with someone that you know that would appreciate it. If there's any crypto topic that you want me to cover, reach out to me. I'll dive in and share what I've learned with everyone else. If you'd like to find out about this week's top crypto resource and influencer, go to my blog post by clicking on the link below. Also, this week's crypto class, I write about an interesting topic. It's an NFT topic about utility tokens. And I can envision a creative crypto savvy agent providing a utility token to a buyer when they buy a house. The token might be a home warranty service or home improvement or some kind of maintenance plan. So anyway, that's my thinking. And check out the article. If you have any ideas, reach out to me. Also, I'd love it if you write any comments below. Remember, stay crypto curious. It's still very, very early days in crypto, and now's a great time to become crypto savvy. And if you have any questions about New Jersey real estate, I'm your guy. Reach out to me. I'll see you next time.